skin. If you wear like popping like that, it's over for them. My enemy, it would have just that. And I'm traveling. I'll do some more snaps. I like the sun. I like the sun. So it's beautiful when the sun is just shining on me. And this is the feed, and here I'm waiting for the train to come. I'll tell you what next. Let me talk to my sister and my friend who actually, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna buy water because I'm a healthy girl. Here, yeah. So here is the train station. Pardon my voice. Okay, I'm looking at my train here, and then I will figure out where I'm going. Okay, I'm looking at my train here, and then I will figure out where I'm going.